Vincent. It's okay, and welcome to I am Vincent. And in today's video, we're talking about computer upgrades. Okay, fundamentally, most people know that as a normal computer, you as a beginner, and also most people who I know and most people around me, like the biggest upgrade you can do to your PC is the RAM upgrade. You increase the RAM, you buy a new RAM, you put in your PC, you're done. You put in your laptop, you're done. Your computer becomes faster, can handle bigger programs and things like that. I have one big upgrade, and that's the hard disk. Okay, if you buy a normal PC, the RPMs go from 72K, 72K, no, 7.2K and 5.4K, and they are big, but not very fast compared to hard disk. Okay, compared to SSDs. Okay, so the simplest upgrade is changing from HDD to SSD. How can I compare this to? This comparison is like comparing disk when you enter a disk into a PC and when you enter a pen drive, a USB stick, flash drive, flash disk into your PC. Between a disk and a flash disk, which usually loads faster, which can you open your files faster? It's a USB, it's faster. So that is a HDD and SSD. That's the biggest, simplest like comparison so that you can understand about the speeds of the two. So most computers use HDD compared to SSDs because HDDs are cheaper and have bigger memories for a cheaper price compared to SSDs. So this is my baby, and it had a 1 TB internal HDD hard disk drive. It was fast, but sometimes when I'm editing videos, it becomes slow to load the videos. It takes time. You load the video, it plays the video. The audio starts playing 2 seconds later, 1 second later, or the audio starts, the video starts playing a few seconds later. Like it wasn't fast enough for me. So it was having a problem loading the videos from the disk drive to the program I was using. So I decided to change from HDD to SSD, but with one small caveat. That is, I don't want to change, I still want my 1 TB inside my PC. So what I did, I found this upgrade whereby you change your disk drive, the place where you enter your CDs and DVDs, you remove it because obviously this is 2020. I don't use CDs anymore. It's only pen drives, memory sticks, and the things like that. So I changed my HDD place, my disk drive place, and in that disk drive place, I put the 1 TB HDD. And in the place where inside the PC, where there was the place, the port to put the hard disk drive, in it I put my SSD, 120 GB SSD. So it's like sitting in class and like the sir says, okay, take up your laptop, try this code and give the output or show us the output if it's any other thing. Like, but that's the thing. So I open my laptop, the person next to me is using a MacBook opens the laptop. Most MacBooks use SSDs, they don't use HDD unless it's a very, very old MacBook, which I don't think that. I have to research on that. Comment below if you know. The old MacBooks, do they use HDD? But okay, the new MacBooks use SSDs. So like I'm taking my laptop, I have to wait 5 minutes. So I was talking, explaining, passing around, helping people. I'm still waiting for my PC to turn on. So it's like the friend next to me using a MacBook. Hello, bro. Using a MacBook. I know you're listening. Like he opens his PC, it's already on, it's already fast, logs in, everything is done. Mine, I have to wait. I was like, why? Found that. SSDs. So your Windows operating system is put in a HDD, hard disk drive. So when you turn on the PC and the hard disk drive is slow, that's why it takes time to load. It takes time to load your operating system, Windows 10, Windows 8, from the hard disk drive to the interface, to the RAM for you to start using a PC. That was a big problem. So what I did, instead of using a hard disk drive, I used an SSD. So my Windows 10, I installed into my SSD. Like, chat, very fast, loading and everything. For example, let me try this out. So my PC has a total of 1 TB and 120 GB, plus makes it 1120 GB internal memory. That's a lot. We go back to my baby. So it's already off. How do we turn it on? Turn it on. And like it takes very few seconds to turn on. It's not even more than 1 minute. I don't think so. Like it's already running the windows. It's already on. No loading. Just like that, I can use my PC. So this upgrade is my favorite upgrade in all this, my life, in my PCs, my history of all the PCs I've used, which is 3, something like that. But it has helped me a lot. So how do you do this? You do this by buying 2 major things. One, you buy a HDD card, hard disk drive card. That is the hard disk drive. That is a plate shaped like that plate which you put your CD on. It's shaped like that. You see this? Shaped like that. You put your hard disk in it, then you put it into the disk drive, and then you buy your internal SSD, the new one that you'll be using. I didn't buy a very expensive one. I bought a normal one SSD. Then I just installed a new Windows into a pen drive, and then I load my SSD into the laptop. After loading my SSD into the laptop, I took the pen drive, I installed new Windows 10 into my SSD, and this is it. So it's very fast, very simple. The warnings that you should know, like you should know how to copy your old Windows into an SSD. 2, you should know the size of your disk drive, if it is 12 mm or 9 mm. So that you can choose when you're buying your hard disk card. With that said, I hope this video is going to be very helpful. I want you guys to update your hard disk. Like, stop using HDD, it's very old model. Start using SSDs. Be fast, have more storage, cheaper. Because this hard disk cost me about approximately $50. It's no more. I mean, in India I can get something cheaper. Like, yeah, in China you can get it more cheaper, but in India that's how I got it. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Upgrade your PCs. Mine is upgraded.